Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the sounds and vibration, then just click here to the media call, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels. We can switch them just by slide to the left or to the right side. That is blue dot. Also, so we can set it, activate or turn off the don't disturb mode. We can use the synchronized string vibration. We can turn on or turn off the crystal tone call. We can also just turn on or turn off the multi-volume buttons here. This device has two SIM slots, so you can set to just different ringtones on each of the SIM card here. Also, we can use the live caption here. We can turn on or turn off it. We can set the vibration for calls. We can turn on or turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing, and we can switch notification and alarm sounds. And here also we have just another settings. We can turn on or turn off the dial pad tones, the outgoing call vibration, the screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, touch vibration and power on sounds. We can turn on or turn off all of these options just by click once on each of the switcher. Also, we can use this the feature just to pick up to silence, on flip for D&D. So you can see here just also this tutorial, and also we can just activate or turn off here the media controls for music. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.